Now this car's going to last probably all of 3 hours. I dare say this car will be sold by the end of the day. Mercedes C220 AMG Line Premium in black, 2016, 66 registration, 54,000 miles. Now the car has been modified to the way it looks today. It looks amazing, and I do mean that. Yes, it is a diesel, but from every angle it just looks mega. So from the front, you've got the LED style daytime running lights. You've got this beautiful Panamericana grille. It's got a full black styling to the car, so everything has been de-chromed. I mean, everything. You've then got things like the LED high-performance headlights there. It's an AMG line, so you have the AMG bumpers, but then this has an enhancement, which is this front splitter here, the apron collar, what you want, which gives it another twist, a more aggressive look. I know lots of guys and girls out there who buy cars like this and then spend a few £1,000s to make it look like this. So this one's ready-made, it's been done. It's a 66 plate car, will come with a 12 months MOT. If it's due a service within 6,000 miles in 6 months, we'll service it before you get the car. But then you come around the side and you think, wow, you've then got the upgraded 20-inch multi-spoke AMG alloy wheels, diamond cut and the black inserts with the red brake calipers. But with the 20-inch wheels, you can see how much it fills the arches and it just looks mega. I won't, being completely honest, it takes away a little bit of ride quality, but when you're buying a car like this, you're buying it because of the way it looks, it's super flash. But then you've got quite an expensive item down here. This is a genuine carbon fibre flared side skirt on it. That's underneath the AMG side skirt already. Black window surround, you've then got the black handles here and the sun protection glass. This has also got a tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which is lovely because a lot of the AMG lines don't have it. This being the premium, it's got it. Full leather interior, electric seats, heated seats, memory seats, both driver and passenger, flat bottom steering wheel, the ambient lighting, cruise control, and then you have things like Bluetooth onboard computer. The condition with 54,000 miles on is superb. If you look at some of the cars that are available online, a lot of the driver's seats, I mean, they're fully ripped and they've taken apart, but this one you can see it's been very, very well looked after. Fully fitted matte front and rear, the illuminated entry kick plate with the Mercedes badging, which again aren't scuffed and scratched. The back seat is absolutely wonderful. 3-point seat belts, ISOFIX attachments, rear armrest comes down, the ambient lighting continues around the back, and if you go around here, another pop. First of all, this carbon fibre rear spoiler, very expensive, AMG badging, but from the rear, it has that C63, C43 look to it. It has a quad pipe coverings there, that rear diffuser again. It just looks mean, it looks beautiful, because I get a lot of customers that want a car that looks like this, but they don't want the running cost of a C63 or a C43, because genuinely, that does look like a C43 as a minimum. It does, and it's mega. Automatic tailgate, which can be used off the key. A nice big boot, and the seats go down, or press that button, and it closes away. So just to recap, you've got the big wheels, the carbon spoiler, carbon side skirts, the big front splitter, the rear diffuser completely different, the quad pipes coverings there, and it's all in black with 54,000 miles on, C220 diesel, low running cost on miles per gallon, and road tax and insurance. So literally, it ticks every box. Automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, 2 keys, twin cup holders, like I said, tilt and sliding panoramic roof, push button start, and then put it in reverse, and the reversing camera comes on. But look at the condition of this lovely dark wood, the armrest, the steering wheel, and going back to the seats, it's been so well kept. Because like I said, if you look at all the other ones, purposely some of the cars out there, they won't take pictures of the driver's seat because it's all come apart and it is all ripped. This one, there isn't. It is a used car at the end of the day, and it has done 54,000 miles. Will there be some stone chips? Absolutely, but that's just normal characteristics of a used vehicle. But the car does come to you fully prepared in a very high standard. My name is Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. If you like what you see, the video is about to go live. Just ring me direct, reserve the car. I'll give you a part exchange price. We are extremely busy. Our next collection date is like 3-4 days away, but once you've reserved it, we'll get the car ready for you to come and collect. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.